These are our Greatmats that we ordered for our indoor playground. They're amazing. We installed them ourselves. They were really easy to assemble and actually kind of fun to split apart and piece together like a puzzle. We have this indoor playground for kids 0 to 6 or 7, and we wanted to make sure that we had mats underneath that could protect them if they fell from any serious injury. So we got these heavy duty mats here, which we measured out to make sure that we got the right amount, and we got some of these ramps as well to reduce the chances of anybody tripping as they went onto the mats. They've been awesome. Kids are playing all over this playground. We've had a couple falls already, but nobody was hurt. Over here, you can see our other mats, because once we had these in, we decided they're so great that we want to put some more over here for our soft play area. So we bought some that were wood grain, which some people can't even tell when they come in here. They think it's just part of the floor until they step on it and they realize it's super soft and comfy. But these are the wood grain. It's a thinner mat because we didn't really need them to be as heavy duty since it's not for the playground. But they're also amazing. We love them. You can see right here the puzzle pieces. This is how they snap in. So assembly was really easy. You just go one by one. You put them together. You can cut them out and cut them accordingly to fit along the walls. You can see how flush they get with the walls if you could see behind all these toys. But these are our Greatmats. We can't recommend them enough. They're awesome. Our customers love them.